Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Tan 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 tan! Happy birthday to you!
Ito ka,
Happy
Konchaba.
birthday to you!
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Love you, Nanay. Wish, wish, wish.
Sana mawala na po yung COVID-19.
Wish, 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 wish.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, stop it, stop it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to eat the black eye.
Okay, let's eat na.
I'm eating that
Eat
one.
night snack.
Yummy,
Still up.
yummy, 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 yummy. I said try because I
Nag-message
want
siya kasi. Sabi ko, magto-12 na. Ba't gising pa to?
your birthday.
Good night!
Good night, banana. Good night, super pepe.
Don't forget to pray! Good morning! Good morning, morning, morning!
So, lunch natin chicken, pineapple, and then dinner magluto ako.
Chicken
Pineapple
pineapple.
chicken.
Pininyahong
Pinyang
manok.
manok.
Social.
Yes.
Pineapple chicken, chicken pineapple. Pininyahang
Dito akong
manok.
steak mamayang dinner sa ship.
Hi, welcome to Tahanan Cruz. My name is Leah. My name is Luso.
And today we're gonna make
Coconut. We're gonna make cheesy macaroons.
Yes, and what do we need to make cheesy macaroons?
We need two eggs.
2 eggs,
We need sugar. We need
sugar.
two different type of cheese.
Okay, so ang gagamitin natin isang Eden na normal at saka melt syrup na Eden din. And then,
We need
what's this?
extra coconut.
Desiccated
Desiccated
coconut.
coconut, and,
And
that
then,
is
this one,
vanilla.
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 Very good.
No, you said extra.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla
then-
extra cold.
And then, condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
This one.
Cheese. But
Softened
softened butter.
butter. And then this one,
I forgot.
flour.
Flour. Flour's type.
And of course, we need, what are these?
I think that's right. 2 minutes.
Lahat sila mini, anak. Baking trays. And then,
This one's bigger.
ito,
And a
scooper.
scooper.
And
Yeah,
then,
you
kung
scoop
ayaw nyo
them.
ng scooper, pwedeng ito.
If you scoop,
So,
then you
ito-
can push it out.
Ay, ganyan siya. So, dito nyo lalagay yung butter. And then, yan. Gagano nyo lang. Squeeze nyo na lang para lumabas siya. Tapos, doon na siya sa liners. And then, of course, we need liners. Ayan, pang Christmas pa to.
That's for
Ayan.
cupcakes.
Yes. Ayan, kasi wala kaming maisip na activity today. Actually, it's my birthday. So, dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-greet.
Love you, Mom.
Ano, Lucio, bitin ka na.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. So, it's my birthday sa mga
Nanay.
nag-greet na. Thank you so much sa mga hindi pa nag-greet. Pwede ba kayong bumate? Hindi pa late, July pa lang. Tay. Actually, March yung birthday ko. So, tingnan natin kung ma-upload to ng March. Ayan. Edit niya daw agad. So, ayan. Yes, anak. Ang gulo, no? Pagkasama yung mga bata. Ayan. So, wala kaming maisip na activity today. Yes.
I love you.
I love you too to celebrate my
It's your
birthday.
birthday.
Yes, it's my
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Nana.
Thank you so
Nanay,
much.
I love you.
so much. I love you too.
We love you.
Hindi na ako natapos sa sasabihin ko. So, yun nga. Wala kaming maisip na activity. Kaya magbe-bake na lang kami. Normally, ginagawa namin yung pagbe-bake nitong Cheesy Macaroons pag Christmas season. Gustong-gusto ni tatay na nag-aamoy mga baked goods yung aming bahay pagka Christmas
So,
season.
we're gonna eat.
And yes, we're gonna eat it pag na-bake na natin siya. So, yun, sinabi na nga nila Liam yung mga ingredients at yes.
About this. What is this?
Yan yung
Does it
scooper
scoop?
tinatanong
Does
niya.
it scoop and you push?
Yes.
So it's like you're pouring something but using a scooper?
Yes.
It's called a scooper. You use it to scoop, not pour.
ang dadaldal at ang ingay niya. Ang kukulit na, oh. Ang gugulo. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. At simulan na natin yung ating pagbe-bake.
Nanay,
Yes po.
I have a question
Yes.
about chicken.
About what?
That, you're saying what is this?
Ayan. So, konti lang yung mga ingredients at ang magagawa natin dito ay mga siguro 5 dozens ng mini cheesy macaroons.
I am
So,
the
tingnan natin.
ingredient. I love you.
Ayan, so first, kailangan nating i-preheat yung ating oven ng 170 degrees Celsius. And, ayan, itayin na lang natin. And while we're waiting, mag-mix na tayo ng mga ingredients.
You did it before, just doing it now. So be careful. Not too much, not too much. You can stop now.
Nauhaw na. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa attachment na to, pero ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, and then, anak. Okay, for the first ingredient, what's this?
Soft and water.
Okay.
I want to go now.
Go.
Hi, Kuya. Looks yummy. Is that done? First too high, first too high.
Then, one is, yes. So the next one is
Sugar.
sugar. Okay.
Next one. All.
Okay, good job, Kuya.
Look at that. So,
Ayan, so ayan nyo lang siya mag-mix hanggang maging fluffy.
I can see there's some getting inside the mixer.
Kuya. Oh, go.
All.
Okay, so our next is
Egg.
egg.
I want more.
Okay, and yan. So, one egg lang muna, one at a time.
You use the scooper to scoop it. Put it in. Whoa! And it's cracking it. Whoa! Yolk. 12. Done.
Condensed
That's a
milk.
lot of You pour it this time. That's a lot.
Okay, so for the last wet ingredient,
Ingredient.
1/2 teaspoon
Ingredient.
vanilla.
What's ingredient? That's 1/2.
Half ng one. Yeah, okay.
That's not half one. That's full. Ready?
Go. that's our last wet ingredient. Vanilla extract. Okay. So, in a separate bowl, imimix naman natin yung mga dry ingredients. So, this is the flour.
Flour.
Okay. There. And then,
I need
this one. What's this?
extra
Desiccated
coconut.
Very good. Lusyo. And then, yung normal na Eden cheese.
Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot.
Yan. Tapos, haluin lang natin. Mix mo. Super helping na.
That's too much.
That's too much. Yan. So, mix nyo lang siya hanggang sa maging ganito na yung itsura. Yan. And then, ihahalo na natin siya dun sa ating wet ingredients. Okay, so pinalitan ko ng attachment para, yun, hindi lang siya
I
mo-overheat.
do that.
Hindi ko rin alam kung anong tawag dito sa attachment na to eh. So, yan. Tulungan tayo ni Liam and Lucio na ihalo itong dry ingredients dun sa wet.
This one. No eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 3 cupcakes. No, we're not done with those. Cupcakes.
Okay, so pag nalagyan na natin lahat ng liners dito sa pan ng butter, just make sure your hands are clean. Yung Eden melt syrup, lalagay natin sa top.
No, do not do that to my precious swirls. I command you to stop. Yeah.
Ayan, pagka medyo nagba-brown-brown na yung macarons, pwede nyo nang patayin. And then, hayaan nyo na lang na yung init nung oven ang magluto sa kanya completely. So, yun. Pero, ang nakakita agad dun sa recipe ko ay 15 minutes. Pero, ayun, yun nga. Pwede na yun. Pagka parang nag-brown na siya ng konti, patayin nyo na siya. Tapos, intayin nyo na lang siyang siguro mga 5 minutes na nandun pa siya sa oven. And then, pwede na siya. Ayan, so pinalamig lang natin and then lalagay na... What? Oh, what do you wanna eat?
I ate before.
What do you wanna eat? The macaroons?
I want to eat that.
So, napapak na nila yung iba, pero actually, pagka binake siya today, masarap siyang kainin the next day na kasi ito, medyo naninikit pa yung macaroons dun sa liner. So, tomorrow, mas okay na siya. Mas masarap na siyang kainin. Mas mabilis nang tanggalin yung liner niya. So, ayan. Pinalamig lang natin and nilalagay na natin siya sa mga lalagyan para tomorrow na natin siya kakainin. Kukuha siya. Kanina pa niya gusto. Hey! What are you doing? Ha? Huy! What?
You're lying. You just want to eat it.
Sige, you can eat it.
Kanina pa kasi siya nang hihingi. Kumakain na siya kanina. Kaya lang dumidikit pa nga sa liner. Sabi namin bukas pa. Kumukuha mag-isa.
Dagan na lang kung kulang.
Ba? Nagluluto! Kung ano-ano ba? Daming rekado ah.
Siyempre.
Nauhula lang yan, manang.
Kasi yung paano na eh.
May recipe siya sa cellphone niya.
Talaga yan.
Kaya hindi na nung ano eh, tinitignan mo.
Nakasumbongera!
Wow! Looks good. Thank you.
Sana masarap din yung lahat.
Mga bisita ko. Anyari po. Nasa na po yung handa.
Pati ganin, pati ganin.
Pati ba kanin? Meron pa natira sa kanin. We're done eating.
So we're gonna lay down
Ayos.
and sleep.
Yun doon siya matutulog. Naglatag kasi manonood kami ng Unforgettable, yung kay Sarah Geronimo sa Netflix. Tapos, ayun na. Yan na, dyan na nagtapos ang ating birthday celebration with Tahanan Cruz.
And your birthday.
Yes, thank you so much,
Happy
guys.
birthday, Nana.
Thank you, Lucio. Kuya, come here. Good night ka na.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Thank you for
Good night.
watching.
Watch chicken.
Sana meron kayong bagong
Just say
natutunan
chicken.
at nag-enjoy kayo sa aming pag-bake at sa simpleng celebration namin
It's
dito
always
sa
fun
bahay.
baking.
You had so much fun baking.
Hi.
Ayan, kung magagawa nyo yung aming recipe at makakapag-bake din kayo, tag nyo kami on Instagram or on Facebook.
Quarantine birthday.
And also in the birthday.
Yes, ay, go cut kuya daw. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night. Don't forget to pray. God bless.
God bless you.